Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are addressing a very common issue faced by many users on the DGCA's eGCA portal, that is missing remote pilot certificate or RPC details. This usually happens if you create your eGCA ID before migration of Digital Sky to eGCA portal. Because of this migration, your RPC details may not automatically appear in your eGCA profile. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to raise a support ticket and get this issue resolved. And remember, if you face any other regular issue in the eGCA portal, you can also follow the same ticket raising process. Let's get started. Open your web browser and go to the official DGCA website. On the home page, click on eGCA login. This will take you to the login page of that portal. Here enter your eGCA ID, your password and CAPTCHA code shown on the screen. Once the details are entered correctly, click on login. If the information is valid, you will be directed to your personal dashboard. On the dashboard, click on view profile. As you can see here, the RPT details are not visible. This missing information is the exact problem that we are going to solve. To fix this, we need to raise a support ticket. From the main menu, click on Service tab. Now under Support Request, select Raise Support Request. On the Support Request page, you need to carefully enter the following details. For Request category, select Data, Updation and Correction. For Request subcategory, select License details. In the brief description of the issue field, type Remote Pilot Certificate details are not showing in the profile. To support your request, upload a scanned copy of RPC certificate. Since this certificate was created in offline mode, it will not automatically appear in eGCA system. Click Choose File. Select the scanned document from your computer and upload it. Once the file is uploaded successfully, click on Submit. The system will now generate reference number for your ticket. Please note down this number carefully. It is required for tracking the progress of your request. To monitor your request, return to Support Request and click on View Support Request. Enter ticket reference number and OTP sent to your registered mobile number. Here, we will see the current status of your ticket. In some cases, the status may show clarification required. This means that the support team needs additional information from you. For example, they may ask you to provide screenshot of your profile page where RPC details are missing. To respond, open your ticket, go to clarification remark by the applicant and write a short note stating that you are attaching the requested screenshot. Then click on Choose File, upload the screenshot and click on Submit. Once your issue has been reviewed and resolved, the support team may provide you the new migrated eGCA ID. They may also ask you to reset your password. To do this, go to the eGCA login page and click on Forgot Password. Enter your new migrated eGCA ID, the CAPTCHA and OTP sent to your registered mobile number as well as email ID. You will now be prompted to confirm a new password. Log in again using a new migrated eGCA ID and updated password. As a part of the process, the complete Aadhaar validation by entering your Aadhaar number and the OTP sent to your mobile number. Now go to your profile and click on Remote Pilot Certificate details. This time you will see that your RPC details are displayed correctly. This completes the process of raising and solving a support ticket for missing RPC details in the DGCA's eGCA portal. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in comment below. Thank you for watching.